Vitamin C is an antioxidant that has many benefits for athletes. Vitamin C helps repair muscle tissue in several ways. First of all, it participates in the production of collagen, an important protein for the formation of connective tissues, such as tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. Vitamin C is an essential cofactor in collagen synthesis, which is required for the repair of muscle tissue damage during intense training. Being an antioxidant, it helps neutralize free radicals generated during intense exercise. Free radicals can cause damage to muscle cells, but vitamin C can help prevent this damage and promote muscle tissue repair. Additionally, vitamin C helps reduce inflammation caused by strenuous exercise, which can be harmful to muscle tissue. Vitamin C has been shown to reduce levels of certain inflammatory markers, such as the enzyme cyclooxygenase 2, COX-2, helping promote the repair of damaged muscle tissue. In general, vitamin C is an important nutrient for the growth and repair of muscle tissue, and may help athletes recover from strenuous exercise faster and prevent injuries. Additionally, vitamin C helps the immune system fight infection and improves the body's ability to fight disease. This can be especially important for athletes who are under a high level of physical stress and may be more vulnerable to infection. Thanks for watching.